This video demonstrates how to install the Calibre CA4000 door closer in a regular arm configuration, also called a standard installation. In this setup, the closer body mounts on the pull side of the door, the same side you pull toward you when entering. This is the most common installation for interior and exterior doors in offices, schools, and commercial buildings. Before you begin, review the installation instructions included with your closer. The Calibre CA4000 allows for door openings between 100 degrees and 130 degrees, depending on your layout. For today's demonstration, we'll set it for a 100-degree door opening. Start with the door layout. Measure from the pivot point of the hinge and mark 7 5/16 inches over on the face of the door. From the top edge of the door, mark 11/16 inches down. This is your first mounting hole. From that mark, measure 1 inch over for the second hole, and again mark 11/16 inches down. Now, move 3 inches over from that second hole and mark another point. This 2 1/4 inches down from your previous mark. From there, measure 1 inch over and mark your fourth and final hole. These 4 marks form the mounting pattern for your closer body. Next, mark the arm foot location on the frame. For a 100-degree opening, measure 11 13/16 inches from the hinge pivot along the frame head and mark your first point. Then, measure 1 15/16 inches over for the second point. Both should be 1/16 inches up from the bottom of the frame stop. After all marks are made, use a center punch to dimple each hole location. This ensures your self-drilling screws start accurately. Pre-drill the first hole with a 3/16 inch drill bit to make installation easier. Now unpack the closer. The Calibre CA4000 comes with a closer body, cover arm assembly, and a full screw pack for metal or wood applications. For today's demo, we'll use the self-drilling metal screws. Mount the closer body so that the cylinder faces the hinge side. Hold it in position, align it with your marks, and drive the first screw through the top left hole. Once aligned, install the remaining 3 screws to secure the body to the door. Next, prepare the arm assembly. The arm consists of the main arm, forearm, and foot bracket. Remove the connecting screw to separate the forearm. Mount the foot bracket to the frame using the 2 screw holes you marked earlier. Make sure the long side of the bracket faces the hinge. Now attach the main arm to the closer spindle. The arm is shaped to fit only one way. It should project straight out at 90 degrees from the door when installed correctly. Tighten the screw to lock it in place. Reconnect the forearm to the main arm using the screw you removed earlier. With the door about halfway open, align the 2 arms so they form a straight line. Then tighten the connection securely. The mechanical installation is complete. Now it's time for adjustments. The Calibre CA4000 has 3 adjustment valves. Sweep speed controls the main closing motion. Latch speed controls the final few inches of closing. Backcheck slows the door's opening to prevent slamming. Use the provided hex wrench to adjust. Turn clockwise to slow, counterclockwise to increase speed. For ADA compliance, the door should take about 15 seconds to close fully. Adjust the backcheck so resistance begins near 90 degrees of opening. At the end of the closer barrel, you'll find the spring power adjustment screw. Turn it clockwise to increase closing force, useful for heavy or exterior doors. Once adjustments are complete, test the door several times to confirm smooth, consistent operation and proper latching. Finally, install the decorative cover. Snap out the correct knockout. Slide the cover over the closer body and secure it using the provided screws. Your installation is now complete.